Hello, welcome back to Tech Brutal FS, and it's been a while. I've been off for some time because of work and all of that. All right, in today's video, I'll be only majorly using price action. I want to show you how to trade without making losses, how to win all your trades. You get it? How to win all your trades. Quite some time now, I've been getting some requests that how do you trade without losing much from the market, because definitely you will lose, but winning all your trade is one thing you should be wanting all the time. All right, so first thing we're going to look at is let me turn it off, let me put it in airplane mode so we don't receive much of distractions. All right, so the first thing I want you to understand, before you can trade profitably in the forex market, you must first understand the idea of higher time frame. The higher time frame is what moves the market. Are you with me? That's what moves the market. The lower time frame is always very noisy. As you can see, if I go down to the lower time frame, to the 1 minute time frame, you see it's very noisy. There are a lot of things happening in the chart which you don't want to be experiencing, right? So we want to go to the higher time frame, like the daily time, the 4 hours time, okay, so we can understand what is really happening in the market. Okay, now I would always advise you start your analysis from the daily time frame and go down to the 4 hours, but for this strategy we'll be starting with the 4 hours time frame. All right, the indicator you're seeing here, the indicator you're seeing right here, this one is actually the 200 moving average. All right, let me show you the setting. This is the setting here. Sorry, this is setting. This is setting the 200 moving average, exponential method, exponential applied to close and all of that. That's just it. Okay, all right, so the first thing you have to understand is the trend of the market. We don't want to trade something like this. We don't want to trade something like this. We don't want to trade something like this. Don't want to trade something like this. All right, we don't want to trade it. Let me increase it. You don't want to trade something like this. Okay, we don't want it. We want to trade something like this. Something like this. You see it all the way from here. That's the kind of thing we want to trade. That's the kind of market we want to be entering. Are you with me? We don't want to be trading markets like all these consolidations. We don't want it. We want to be trading something like this. Something of this nature, something like this. That's the kind of things you want to be trading. That's what you have. That's the kind of opportunity you should be looking out for in the market. All right, you're looking out for this kind of opportunities in the market. This kind of opportunities in the market. When you see this kind of opportunity in your 4 hours time frame, you know that it is a trending market, not a consolidation. Then another thing you have to understand is the market moves. Okay, understand how the market is moving. Another thing you have to understand is the market moves. All right, understand the trend, the consolidation. Like as we can see here, we have a consolidating point here. This is a consolidation. This is a consolidation. Then let's add another one. This is a consolidation, resistance and support zones. All right, you don't want to be trading this kind of market. This is even in 4 hours. You don't want to be trading it. Okay, there's a zone here too. There's a zone here. This is the kind of market you don't want to be trading, because you will be in the market for ages. All right, but you want to be trading this kind of market, the moving market. All right, now there are two ways that the market moves. All right, now what you have here is an impulsive move. You see it is an impulsive move. We call this an impulsive move. Then when it's impulsive, then you have a correction right here. You have a correction right here. there's a correction right here. You see, there's a correction right here. This is a correction we have there. Right here, there's a correction. Then we wait again for another impulsive move. This is another impulsive move here. Then after the impulsive move, we have another correction right here. You see it? There's a correction right here trying to cover this block. Are you with me? This block here. There's an open block right here. That's what we're trying to cover. This open block. All right? Okay. So this is what you do before you trade. Once you have this crossing of the 200 MA, the 200 moving average, then you look out for, is it a consolidation point? Or if you can see now, watch. Once it's crossing, it's always an impulsive move. There is no consolidation. It's not consolidating. See here, it's serving as a resistance zone. It's not consolidating. It is an impulsive move. Now, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, watch in the 1 hour time frame, you see, we get an impulsive move here. This is impulsive. This indeed is impulsive. You see it? Let me reduce the size of the arrow so you can see what I'm saying. This is impulsive. From all the way from here is impulsive down to this correction point. This is a correction point, not a consolidation point. A correction point. Remember, this is another. Right here, you have a point here. Let me not use this. Let me use a trend. Sorry. Let me delete it. I need a trend line. Let me use a trend line. You see it's right here. It's correcting here, and if you check, there must be a trend when it is correcting. Look at the trend. You see it? There's a channel right there. You have another channel right here. You see it? It's breaking this channel. This is the channel, and the channel has been broken. And once the channel is broken, there is also an impulsive move from this up down. And if you check here, we have double top. That's a confirmation that you can enter the market. If you check here too, at this correction zone, this is a correction zone. You see an impulsive move here, all the way from here. This is an impulsive move all the way from here down to this point. Then here now is a correction point. Here is a correction point. You see, once it is correcting, you either get a double top or a head and shoulder. And once you see head and shoulder in a market, in a moving market, then you automatically know that it is a time to either buy or sell. You see it? All right. Thank you so much. That's the end of the video. I don't want to do any much talk in this video, so you can see it's a very good one, a very good strategy. Try it out and always comment in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we'll be bringing you daily. And one thing before I forget, always go down back to your 5-minute time. That is you see, this is where you can actually take a trade, not in the 1 hour time frame. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.